Hello guys, welcome back to my channel in English Academy. Guys, please like, share, follow, comment and subscribe the channel. Guys, if you have subscribed the channel, now we come on the topic, the poem. It is needless to ask of a saint the caste to which he belongs, which was composed by the famous poet Kabir. Guys, before explaining the poem, we must know about a little introduction of the poet Kabir. Guys, Kabir was born at Banaras in the year 1440. He lived for 78 years and died at Magar in Gorakhpur in 1518. A weaver who lived in Benares, he preached the essential oneness of all religions. Guys, he was critical of both Hinduism and Islam's for meaningless rites and mindless repetition. From Hinduism, he accepted the ideas of reincarnations and the law of karma, but rejected idolatry, aestheticism, and the caste system. From Islam, he accepted the idea of one God and the equality of all men. Revered by both Hindus and Muslims, he is also considered a forerunner of Sikhism. Some of his poetry was incorporated into the Adi Granth, Guru Granth Sahib. His ideas led to the founding of several sects, including the Kabir Panth, which regards Kabir as its principal guru or as divinity. Guys, Sant Kabir is one of most interesting personalities in the history of Indian mysticism. In his early life, Kabir became a disciple of famous Hindu ascetic Ramananda. In 12th century, a great religion reformer of Brahmanism, Ramanujan, had brought religious revival in South India. Guys, the same religious revival was brought to northern India by Ramananda. Earlier, the Vedanta philosophy had laid great emphasis on intellectualism. The religious revival of Ramanujan in South and the formalism of the Orthodox cult. Sorry, the religious revival of Ramanuja in the south and Ramananda in the north was against the Vedantic intellectualism and the formalism of the Orthodox cult. Guys, Ramananda accepted Kabir as his disciple, although Kabir was born in a Muslim family. Ramananda reconciled the Mohammedan mysticism with the traditional theology of Brahmanism. Through his teacher, Kabir was influenced by the impassioned poetry and deep philosophy of the great Persian mystics, also like Attar, Sadi, Jalaluddin Rumi, and Hafiz. Guys, Kabir is claimed by the Hindus as a Brahman saint and by the Mohammedans as a Sufi saint. However, his name is conclusive proof of a Muslim ancestry. He was the son of Mohammedan weaver of Banaras, the city of Ramananda. There is a story about his becoming a disciple of Ramananda. Kabir, as a boy, wanted to become Ramananda's disciple, but he was doubtful whether the Hindu guru would accept a Mohammedan as a disciple. Therefore, he hid himself on the steps of the river Ganges where Ramananda used to bath. Coming down to the water, the Guru trod upon the boy's body. He exclaimed, Ram, Ram, the name the name of incarnation under which he worshipped God. Guys, Kabir's death, there is a little introduction about the secret or maybe say a mysticism of about his death. Guys, Kabir died in 1518 at the age of 78 years at Magar near Gorakhpur. A beautiful legend goes about his death. When he died, the Mohammedan and Hindu disciples disputed the possession of his body. The Mohammedans wanted to bury his dead body while the Hindus wanted to burn it. It is said that at that time, Kabir's soul appeared before them and asked them to lift the shroud and look at that which lay beneath. They did so and found in the place of dead body a heap of flour, half of which were buried by the Mohammedans and Magar and half carried by the Hindus to the holy city of Banaras to be burned. It was fitting end to a life which had made a fragment the most beautiful doctrines of two creeds. Although this story can hardly be believed, yet it explains Kabir's approach to the two religions. Guys, he wrote most of important works which are very admirable and appreciable for the rel- religious society. Guys, you know that Kabir was a great religious reformer and a mystical poet and the founder of Sikhism and Kabir Path and Kabir Panths. Almost a millions of Hindus are Kabir Panthis and his songs are just wonderful which are spontaneous expression of his vision and love. Guys, his Padavali collection of stanzas makes important appeal to the heart. For Kabir, Lord Ram presents Nirguna Brahma. His main works was Kabir Bijok. His Sakis and Ulatvasis were written in Hindu, but he used Urdu, Parsi, and Sanskrit words also. For him, thought was more important than language. He was uneducated, but he learned philosophy and religious thought from the company of Hindu and Muslim saints. He addresses God as Ram, Rahim, Allah, Truth, Nam, Govind, Sai, Do, etc. According to Kabir, the world is a place of all troubles and we can acquire freedom only by devotion to God. Kabir's love was not limited to human beings only, but for all living creatures, called also expressed the same sentiments. He prayed the West who loved the West, all things both great and small, for the dear God who loved us, he made and loved all. Kabir's philosophy is of a practical man, his language is common man's language. His padas are lyrical and he sings them to the people around him. He had little knowledge of language and meter. He repeated himself in many of his poems. Now, guys, we will explain the poem. It is needless to ask of Vicente in which caste he belongs. So, guys, come on the topic. Before explaining the poem, we must know about a little introduction of the poem. It is needless to ask of Vicente the caste to which he belongs, for the priest, the warrior, the tradesman, and all the 36 castes alike are seeking for God. It is but fully to ask what the caste of Vicente may be. Guys, in the opening lines of Kabir, Sant जाते ना पहुँचो, it is needless to ask of a saint the caste to which he belongs. Really, Indian society, particularly Hindu society, is riddled with the old caste system. Caste in India means a group of people having a specific social rank defined generally by descent, marriage, occupation. The caste system was the divisive force in India in the times of Kabir. It is still prevalent today. There are about 3,000 castes and more than 25,000 subcastes in India. In popular usage, these castes are grouped loosely into four varnas or classes. At the top of hierarchy are the Brahmins, Brahmins also priests and scholars, and then the Kshatriya are called warriors, and the Vaishyas are also called merchants and traders, and lastly the Shudras. Shudras are artisans, laborers, slaves, and servants. Guys, Kabir said that people of ask all castes, the priest, the warriors, the tradesmen, and the common people of caste other than these are seeking for the Almighty God. Their ultimate aim is to search God and pray to Him for granting moksha to them. That is to release them from the cycle of birth after birth. Attainment of deliverance is the ultimate spiritual goal of all of them. Therefore, it is foolishness to ask a saint to which caste he may belong. All saints are above the narrow consideration of caste and creed. They are trying to search God in their own way. Next, the barber has shot God, the washerwoman, and the carpenter. Even Redas was a seeker after God. The Rishi Swapach was a tanner by caste. Hindus and Muslims alike have achieved that end, where remains no mark of distinction. Kabir said that barber, washerman, carpenter, even shoemaker, Bhakt Redas and Rishi Swapach the tanner were searching God. It is useless to ask these people the caste to which they belonged. Not only useless, but it is foolish to do so. The the artisan like a barber, washerwoman, a carpenter, and the like may be having the men in work as their occupations, but they are great people because they are seeker after God. They achieved greatness because of their sublime thoughts and noble lives, irrespective of their caste, creed, or religion. They were seeker after God. There remains no difference between the Hindus and Muslims when they follow the common aim of achieving God and easy favor. These lines dividing the people into different sects or castes get blurred and lost when they have the same mission. Thanks so much guys to watch the video.